Thin ice? Go ahead, try it out anyway. You don't need to worry about it breaking. You will be fine. Yeah? I don't understand whoever made this sign and put it up for display. No way I would skate on that ice, if I were the one that made that sign. Whatever. I'll try it no matter what.
Time to break the ice.
Yeah? What's happening? Someone help me, before I get hypothermia.
Ha! That's what you get for chasing me all this time.
Yeah, that's weird. I've never seen my thunder baby act this way before. Strange.
K1003. Thinking about leaving me alone for once? PTW, it was real funny when you attempted to skate on this thin ice and now you're gonna freeze into an ice cube. See you later, future ice block.
Okay, I know. I'll call Model 3. My phone is all shorted out. Well, only one thing to do.
What's that sound? Sounds like 1003. I gotta go save her.
Well, I hope someone heard me sounding hello. Otherwise I'll probably die. OMG. Model 3. You gotta save me.
Okay.
Thanks for saving me, Model 3.
You're welcome. Okay, now that I've murdered 1003 by freezing her to death, it's time for Tempest Cola.
Hi, Thunder Baby.
What the heck? I thought I froze you to death. I was ready to chip a piece off of your frozen body and put it in my Tempest Cola.
Well, Model 3 saved me, and your plan to get rid of me has failed.
God,
Now get the heck over here and love me.
no. You get away from me, you psychopath.